Yes, there's often a point in the working year that deliverables or proposals have been sent out, and you have to wait for a sign off or for higher ups to review your work before they publish a final draft. And that time you'll most likely be light on work. That's just reality. No, as in no, there will always be more work coming down the pipe, and some days you won't know how to organize your inbox from the influx of emails received. Yep, it's just ebbs and flows. I mean, every company would love for it to be consistent and um, to be have a constant stream of work. It'd be much easier to work that way, but that's just not the way that it works. I talked to our business development folks in the company. It's kind of like it comes and goes in waves. What you do is you have the big waves, and then you build in the little waves to fill in the gaps between the big waves. Regardless, there's always going to be times when there's downtime, and if there's not downtime and they're overwhelmed, then well, they might also have extra difficulties finding time to give you work to do as well. I don't apply anything here that I learned in my classes. Well, yes, school helps you learn the theory and application of engineering principles, but not necessarily the most efficient or streamlined approach to solve problems. Oh, and forget calculus, you're never using that. Yeah. This is why it's key to learn things like Excel, structural analysis software like SAP, GIS, CAD, etc. There's a reason these programs come with your work computer. Oftentimes, your company has software standards that designers and engineers have to comply with when sending out drawings or work orders or contract packages so that contractors or the government can understand what the heck it is you're designing. That's why having an engineering sense and knowing design software is key. Yeah, I mean, you'll apply the theory and general concepts that you learned in your classes, but yeah, you won't be solving free body diagrams in the same way.